Hey everybody, we're here at the county fair and we've got a few things entered in, some of my furniture, so we're going to go in and see how we did and kind of walk around the fairgrounds and kind of have a good night. Okay, so right around the corner, some furniture. Here we go. Best of show. First place, best of show on my armchair. Cool. Cool. So this is my wife's sewing cabinet. And we got another first place. Trying to see what. Well, anyway, first place. And then here's the other side table. And we got a first place on that. Pretty cool.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
See, you want grand champion is the one you want.
Yeah.
So they probably didn't
All
know how
right.
to stand it up.
So here's my clock. And this one's solid mahogany with exotic veneers. And everything was hand cut with the tools, as I mentioned. But the people at the fair have their standing upside down. That's not a stand, that's crown molding. But anyway, I got reserve sweepstakes and first place. So pretty cool. But anyway, this is how it should. It's supposed to be standing up like this. But I'll leave it the way they had it. Anyway, hey, that's pretty cool. But I'm still impressed with my student for entering his clock.
Would you say it was so good you thought it was yours?
Be honest, yeah, because I didn't think any of my students would have their clocks here. His is mahogany, mine's mahogany, but the crown molding kind of threw me off because mine's a wider crown molding. And then we saw the name on it later, and I was like, oh, that's not my clock. But hey, pretty cool. Oh wow, Trinette, look at this. That's a pretty knit.
It's not knitting.
It's crocheting?
No, it's cross stitch.
That's what I meant to say. Okay, so we were wandering around and my son happened to talk to one of the...
Thank you.
My son was talking to one of the county fair workers, and I don't know what he said to her, but I know we were wondering who got best of show in the furniture because we were interested in what that must have looked like to get best of show. And so apparently when my son asked, she said, oh, I forgot to put it on this piece of furniture, and it was my bench. So they're going right now to go get the ribbon for it. So that is so cool. Okay, we are finished at the county fair and just had some ice cream cones, peach vanilla twist.
Yeah.
So perfect way to end the night. We had a good time, lots of good stuff to see and lots of really cool crafts and things that people entered, paintings, pottery, artwork.
And cross stitch.
And cross stitch. I had to have some fun with that. It's not knitting. Guys, remember that. You can't lump everything into the knitting category. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. We are out of here.